This is the place I enjoyed the most being in.
This is a place where I've learned and grown a lot.
This is where I've made a lot of memories.
I really cherish the friends that I've made here.
I remember my first day of school here. It was nerve-wracking, but at the same time, it was exciting. I was most eager to immerse myself in the CCA I had chosen.
In Clementi Town Secondary, our CCAs are in fact our form classes. These classes are overseen by our CCA parents who care for our well-being and development. Furthermore, depending on our CCAs, we are also organized into 4 different houses. This arrangement allows us to share subjects like food and consumer education, art, music, and PE with fellow housemates. Throughout the year, we enjoy inter-house challenges like the MasterChef Cook-Off and the Cohort Carnival, which brings an extra dose of camaraderie and fun to our schooling experience. Besides my CCA, I also take part in oratorical competitions and the lifelong learning program. Clementi Town Secondary believes that every student has the potential to lead. Anchored in our community youth leadership, our lifelong learning program empowers youths like me to bring about positive changes to our environment and community through meaningful acts of service and leadership. These experiences allow teens like me to realize how we can contribute, connect, and care.
The whole SYF has been an eye-opening experience for me, and now I'm looking forward to being a part of the CT musical production, which brings together homegrown talents comprising of students, teachers, and alumni. With scripts originally written in-house, our talents can take center stage and grow not just artistically, but holistically as individuals and as team players. Another thing that I appreciate about Clementi Town Secondary is the opportunity to challenge myself beyond my comfort zone. Being a part of the Secondary 3 Outdoor Adventure Camp has made me realize that I am much tougher than I thought. In many of such school events, I was moved by our alumni facilitators who return to serve. Their unwavering dedication to the school embodies the true essence of paying it forward. Besides, the school also invites speakers to inspire us with their stories of grit and how they overcome personal challenges. This is how I know that the school not only focuses on academic development, but personal and character growth as well.
Apart from being an avid netballer, I am also a student leader who has had the privilege to plan numerous school events. Some of these events have strong support from our parents. It always brings me joy to see the work that I've done bear fruit and impact the people around me. My final year in Clementi Town Secondary will be geared towards preparing for life beyond secondary school. Besides attending enriching career talks, I am eagerly anticipating the Shark Tank presentation, which will give us a taste of convincing others to believe in our ideas. Furthermore, the iconic night hike awaits, all set to teach us about hanging in there for the long haul, like how we are going to persevere through the national examinations. I know my journey in Clementi Town Secondary will provide me with valuable experiences and insights into leadership and the future.
I've always been interested in technology since I was young, so I was thrilled to learn that Clementi Town Secondary has the MAS program, which stands for Mastery Through Application and Research in STEM. This special applied learning program is all about getting students ready for the future. It imparts students with digital and problem-solving skills, and is integrated into our English, Math, and Science classes. Our school even offers computing as a subject in upper secondary. All our teachers do their best to ensure lessons are engaging and meaningful. But beyond classes and CCAs, I love hanging out with the friends I've made here. Our friendship is further cemented by incredible learning adventures like overseas immersion trips and the Differently Abled program, which help us better understand the society and world we live in. Clementi Town Secondary is a place where my passion is ignited through an innovative, engaging, and vibrant learning environment.
My time here has been really meaningful and enjoyable, and this is a place which I will never forget.